Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, future Fortnite champions. In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on mobile. First, you will need to download the game from your device's app store or a cloud gaming service. Make sure your mobile device meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. Then, simply create or log in to your Epic Games account. Finally, take a moment to adjust your touch controls and settings to make them feel just right for you. It's all about getting comfortable before you jump into the action. Now, let's talk about the controls and interface. Fortnite on mobile uses intuitive on-screen touch controls for everything from moving your character to shooting and building. You can customize your heads-up display, or HUD, to position buttons exactly where you want them, making gameplay much smoother. Take some time to practice aiming and firing using the virtual joystick and dedicated buttons. Mastering the quick build menu will also give you a significant advantage in combat situations. All right, let's dive into some gameplay basics and strategy. When you drop onto the island, try to land strategically to find good loot and avoid early fights. Gathering resources such as wood, stone, and metal is vital for building. Mastering building techniques will allow you to create cover, reach higher ground, and outsmart your opponents. Always keep an eye on the map and stay within the shrinking storm circle to avoid taking damage and ensure your survival. To truly excel, here are some advanced tips and ways to practice. Spend time in creative mode. It's a fantastic way to refine your building and editing skills without the pressure of a live match. Experiment with various weapon types to discover your favorite loadout. Playing with friends in duos or squads can lead to exciting, coordinated team strategies. Finally, watching professional players can teach you advanced tactics, smart rotations, and excellent decision-making, helping you become a top-tier mobile player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.